This marks the culmination of over 5 years of hard work by all the global operation associates worldwide.
This is a very proud moment for me, and I'm honored to work with this team.
Cepheid is engaged in the global fight against TB for many years and has been a very close partner of India National Program, which is aiming at eliminating TB in the country by 2025.
This plant will be a significant game changer in terms of what we want to do in India.
It's a matter of pride because this unit, we are actually scaling up the production so that we can also support other countries outside India.
It really demonstrates the strong commitment and the continuous commitment of Cepheid in enabling access to molecular diagnostic everywhere. And this is by bringing gene expert and cartridges closer to the communities and the patients across APAC.
I appreciate Cepheid for being an equal opportunity employer and empowering our.
I can really feel the energy when I come here, and I really think that this site will be one of the best in the world.